Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to change channel name on YouTube on 2024. So to change the name of your YouTube channel, all you need to do is go to your YouTube application, tap on that. You're going to tap on you on the lower right corner, tap on that. You can tap on you can see Tech verse Insight, so tap on that title. From here, you can, on the right side, we can see the pencil icon, so tap on that. And here we can see some information, some channel information, so you can edit whichever you want to do, whichever you want to edit. So if it's the title, as we see the name of the channel, so tap on that pencil icon on the name part, and here you can change the name as you want. Yeah, so, and that's all. Then after that, tap on save, go, and as you can see here, the name of the channel have just changed. And that's all for this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.